Welcome to QuestBlue Academy. Today we are covering the extension module of the QuBe PBX. As you see here, this is a QuBe PBX site. We use this website to inform customers of the new downloads, to inform customers of the modules, and also it's a help guide, kind of like a documentation of the entire PBX. If you click on this modules link, you'll see all the modules listed by the drop-down menu. It's kind of how you would see it in the QuBe PBX itself. So under the administration tab, there would be these modules. We'll be working on extensions, so it would be under the connectivity module. If you click on extensions, you'll see the step-by-step guide on how to use the module, how to use the extensions, how to create extensions, and so on. Now, to show you how to create and use the extensions, this is the actual QuBe PBX. As you can see here, the front page of the extension module, you'll see the display name listed in this column, the extension listed in this column, as well as the status. The status is pretty cool. It shows you the current status of the extension, whether it's registered or not, and the latency. The user would be what the extension or who the user is that has this extension. This is more helpful for the operator panel, as well as a few more columns just showing you what is active and what was configured when creating the extension. If you click on create extension, you'll see a just basic setup on how to create the extension. Once you submit this, you'll then see more of the drop down of advanced settings. So for now, we can just start with creating a basic extension. If you were to click display name, you could enter it as receptionist, you could enter the extension number, you could enter it as Bob or Mary, however you want to. You could even enter it as Texas office. However you want to organize your PBX, you can just put that display name in there. The display name it does not count for the outbound caller ID name. It's not the same as what the phone itself will show. It's more of just organizing it within the PBX itself. So just for demonstration purposes, we'll name it the same as the extension number, which will be 300. The extension password is going to be the password that you'll enter when setting up the physical phone or the soft phone. It's kind of the secret to incorporate both ends together. The NAT you'll have to set up just based on where the phone will be located, how the setup is going to be. For demonstration purposes, I'll just select this first one. Outbound caller ID, you can put the outbound caller ID number here, and user, we have one user here, so we'll just select PBX admin. However, if you are going to have a few more users and you're also using the operator panel, you could definitely select more than one user and organize it just that way as well. Once you click submit, you will see that everything was saved, and if you scroll down, you will see again all of the first half of what we did, how we configured the extension, but you'll also see additional settings here. These additional settings would be if the extension didn't answer a phone call, on the no answer, how the destination would route, if the extension was busy, or if it was unavailable. Now these drop-down menus, these are more advanced settings. Just for demonstration purposes, we'll only do the voicemail, but I will show you what the extension settings may be or the recording settings. And of course, once you do register with a QuBe PBX account, we'll definitely walk you step by step through this. So the voicemail dropdown is as simple as, if you want to enable it, you just check this enable button, you enter a password, and for the email feature will send your voicemail messages via email using a WAV file. So you'll just kind of see a email from the QuBe PBX saying you have a new voicemail message in extension 300 voicemail box. Again, these are more advanced settings, and we can minimize this. Follow me drop down is essentially just the forwarding to another internal extension or an external phone number, this is not necessary. This is more per extension configuration. We have a lot of advanced settings here, just depending on how you want to set that up. And of course, these are more advanced settings, so you can take your time. When you open your QuBe PBX, take your time, definitely look through that, make sure you customize your extension exactly how you want, and once you're done, you can just click submit. Okay, now that we click submit, you see that extension 300 is listed as part of the extensions that have been created in the PBX. You see that the status is unknown. This is because there's no phone that is registered as 300. You can see 100 is registered and you see the latency. This is because there is a phone 100 registered to the PBX. In order to get 300 registered, we just simply need to access a VoIP phone, whether it's a soft phone or a physical phone, and register it as 300. If you hover over the status, the dot, you see a little bit more information, what's going on, and this usually helps for people that are trying to figure out why it's not registered or just additional information. If you were to hover over 100, it shows you the exact same information. However, you'll see the IP address is listed as well as the status. The status listed here is the current time, so it may be a little bit different than what you see listed here. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.